What is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Motorola Moto E5 Cruise launching for Cricket Wireless May 25th. So go ahead and leave a like on that video. If you enjoy my content, go ahead and subscribe to become part of Magic Tech Review family. Comment down below what you think about the Motorola E5 Cruise coming to Cricket Wireless here on May 25th. So all this information is accurate and true 100%. Now this can change a little bit here and there, so bear with me, but yes, basically I am giving you pretty much accurate information here, and we're getting ready to get started here. So what it's going to have, basically, the Motorola E5 Cruise is going to have a 5.2-inch HD display, water resistant, that prevents against water damage and whatnot. It's going to have quad-core processing, so I don't know exactly what speed it's going to be clocked at, but it is going to have quad-core processing. It's going to have an 8-megapixel rear autofocus camera, LED flash, HD video, and a 5-megapixel front camera with LED flash. It's going to have a 2,800 milliamp battery, so that's pretty standard, pretty good for the Motorola E5 Cruise. It's going to have the Moto display feature and Moto actions, so that's pretty dope. It's also going to have 16 gigabytes of internal storage and 8.0 Oreo to start off with. It's going to have your micro USB charging, so yeah, there you go. So that's basically all that it's going to be on the Motorola E5 Cruise. I'm just excited that a Motorola device is finally coming back to Cricket Wireless. It's been a while, so we have seen a lot of ZT devices, a lot of Alcatel devices, a lot of LG devices. So finally, Motorola's getting their shot back on Cricket Wireless. So really excited. Phone does have a front-facing flash as well, as I can see here. Your phone is going to be $99.99. So whether you upgrade, whether you get a new phone, or whether you get a full retail price. So that's one little gripe that I have about this phone that's coming out to Cricket Wireless, but I'll talk about that in a later video. So other than that, guys, I mean, I think it's a great option, guys, for coming out, and hopefully you guys enjoy this leak rumor and stuff like that. So if you're in the Cricket Nation, go ahead and hashtag Cricket Nation to be pinned on the top comment, or to be pinned on the top comments. Sorry, I'm still sick, guys. I got a runny nose and whatnot, but this video has to be made. And yeah, go ahead and like the video, share the video out if you like the fact that you get this information so much earlier than you're actually supposed to, that we're actually all supposed to. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Thanks for watching as always, and love and bless. Bye now.